Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, the UAE maintained its position as the second largest Arab economy in 2012 after its gross domestic product grew by $23 billion in current prices. That's according to a Western report. The report by the Washington-based Institute for International Finance showed that the UAE has remained in the number 2 spot for more than 10 years now after Saudi Arabia, due to steady and rapid growth in its GDP as a result of high public spending, a surge in oil prices, and a steady increase in private sector investment. The report showed the UAE's GDP grew to its highest ever level of around $375 billion in current prices last year, up from $352 billion in 2011, an increase of about 6.5%. The 2012 GDP was more than double its level of nearly $181 billion in 2006. For the first time in its history, Dubai welcomed over 10 million visitors last year, representing a 9.3% rise from the year before. His Excellency Halal Al-Mari, the Director General of the Department of Tourism and Commerce Marketing, was quoted as saying that this continual growth is due to Dubai's destination management strategy, world-class infrastructure, a strategic location between the East and West, as well as efforts to enhance the diversity of tourism on offer. Figures show that Dubai saw 30% more visitors from Saudi Arabia last year, which is the city's #1 source market. Europe contributed over a quarter of the city's hotel guests, which saw a 54% rise in the number of Russian visitors, while Chinese visitors saw a 28% rise. Dubai's prime luxury properties are over 10 times lower than Monaco, the world's most expensive residential property market, according to the Wealth Report 2013. The latest report by Knight Frank shows that prices for properties in the fourth quarter of 2012 in Dubai ranged between $520 and $580 per square foot, compared to prices of between $5,350 and $5,920 per square foot in Monaco for the same period. Among the 20 cities listed, Dubai was placed at 19th, with Cape Town coming in at the number 20 spot, where prices ranged between $510 and $570 per square foot. Additionally, Dubai came in at the number 2 spot, however, with Bali in terms of price growth out of 80 countries surveyed, with market prices rising by 20% last year. Jakarta took the top slot with prices rising by 38%.